In The Psychology of Money, award-winning author Morgan Housel reveals the surprising truth. Financial success isn't about formulas, spreadsheets, or charts. It's about behavior. And behavior, as Housel explains, is far trickier to master than numbers. Most personal finance advice assumes we all make decisions logically, but in reality, money choices are made at the dinner table, in meeting rooms, and in moments shaped by ego, pride, upbringing, and human psychology. Through 19 captivating stories, Housel explores the strange, fascinating ways people think about money. He uncovers why we make the financial choices we do and how small shifts in mindset can dramatically improve our financial lives. Whether you're investing, saving, or just trying to make sense of your finances, this audiobook will change the way you think about money, behavior, and life itself. Start listening to the full audiobook now. The free audiobook link is in the description. Press play and discover how understanding the psychology behind money can transform your decisions and your future.